I'm Wayne Partridge from Hastings Deering in central Queensland here in Australia, in Queensland. I've been here about 6.5 years. I'm the local general line sales rep for new and used equipment and been dealing with Schwartz's for about 6.5 years. Schwartz's were looking for a solution in the high rail excavator market. They did a lot of rail maintenance work. Well, the other competitors weren't as complete a machine, the Railmax product. You could see the technology they put into it. The guys had worked with Caterpillar for a long time in the underground mining product for a long time, so they had history and experience with the Caterpillar product, and you could see how they'd integrated into the Caterpillar product really well. The machine is completely engineered and designed by Railmax themselves. As I say, we've just provided a sales and support side of the agreement to provide the machine to Schwartz's. As you know, our customer, being Schwartz's, is the end user in our area, so we're the ones here locally. We have to look after it. What the dealer played in the Railmax union was that it was all new to us, so we had to rely heavily on Railmax's experience in the product, as it was essentially the first machine in the world. So we had to lean on their experience greatly, and they've been fantastic. Essentially, we just provide the dealer support. Railmax have done all the re-engineering of the product. They've worked very closely with Schwartz's themselves directly. It just provides a better solution for them because they know what they're looking at. There's a lot of stuff there that our guys wouldn't be familiar with, so we just provide the support back through Railmax to do what we need to do. First 314 that Schwartz's purchased, they financed themselves through their own finance company. Because it was a new product, the CAT finance weren't up to speed with the product itself. Like, it was a CAT-based product, but it sort of didn't fall under their product range. I think by the second or the third ones, they were on board and financing the machines. So there is other high rail products on the market, but nothing to the standard that this machine's been built. If another dealer came in contact with us to looking for a solution for a Railmax product, there's just no question. It is the most superior high rail product out there, and working with Railmax has been first class. And we've got Noel and the Schwartz's, and they're more than happy to provide assistance with other dealers themselves that they have done so far. To other dealers, yeah, it's definitely, if you work closely with the Railmax guys, they have the knowledge and support there. You won't know the product yourself straight up. It's a very complex product, and the guys that have built it are the guys that are there helping you. So they've engineered it, they've built it, and they're there to support it. Yeah, the design of the machine is very impressive. On the warranty side of things, Hastings Deering play a role in that. It is supported by Railmax themselves, and we do the warranty work on behalf of Railmax essentially. So there is a dealer agreement between Railmax and Hastings Deering. So warranty would be as if it was a normal Caterpillar machine. They now see that the machine's worth what it's worth because they can make that money back out of it and get the return out of it. I'd expect it to go, into the 6,000-7,000 hour mark. Current utilisation is probably about 400 to 500 hours a year in the machines. Currently, I believe his first machine, that's probably 3 to 4 years old, is around 1,500 hours. I know Noel and the Schwartz's are expecting around 10,000 hours out of their machines. The potential for Hastings Deering in this area is massive with the Railmax product. There's significant rail line infrastructure in Queensland, but the beauty of the Railmax product is it does require ancillary machines to run with it. So not only do you have your Railmax cutter, you have 2 or 3 5-tonne excavators working with pulling the material away from the line, and then you've got wheel loaders running back, carting the material away. So you could have potentially 10 machines working around one machine to make the operation work. If you've got one product, one brand, when they call a person out, they only need to call one person out. If you haven't considered it, haven't seen it, it's well worth having a look at.